Harsh.
Yeah, good. Let me share my screen first, okay, and then I take your doubt. Let me know. You are able to see my screen now?
Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay, so where is your doubt in the relationship, right?
Yeah, till here I have covered.
Okay, so till here
Yes.
you covered, okay, and all the relationship you done, all the relationship with the mentioned two fact.
Yes, I have done. Let me open at my end also so that I can
Yeah, sure.
compare.
Yeah, you can open. Or it would be great if you send the file to me on email right now. Okay, so I just open in your email. Actually, okay, no worry. I will talk to you after the recording. This one is fine. Okay, you can match the relationship. These four relationship we have made. Go to this manage relationship here, and here you can match one by one.
Okay, I'm sending you file.
Yeah, you can send me, and I will check.
Okay. Could you please tell your email ID?
Yeah, Harsh Harsh Harsh
Yes.
Malhotra Malhotra
हाँ जी.
and 2018 @gmail.com. Abhishek, you have any doubt in the previous project?
No, Harsh, it's clear.
Okay, done. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
You send file, Kanchan?
I'm sending just a minute.
Okay.
Directly we can send in the same format.
Yeah, in the same format. See, go to this file and save first, and then just copy this file into your email directly, like this. See, this is
It
the
is
file.
loading now.
You can just copy and just
It's done, Arsh. I'm sending. It's uploading. It's taking time.
okay. So
Yes.
by the way, in the meantime, you can match here also. There is a one relationship, second, third, and fourth. And if I click on this manage relationship, so you can check there is a four relationship with customer ID to customer, date of booking to dates, destination country to destination, and origin to origin.
Okay.
So only four relationship we have made to put in a four dimension table. And after that we are making when the relationship is done, then we are going to start. After that, let me show you in the page one, two, like this. Okay. Then we are going to create one by one normal measure, like starting from, if I go to this key measure, just a minute. Yeah, so one by one we have created the major like total visitor. Okay, so the origin, total destination, country, highest age, like this we have created. And now one by one created some of the advanced function and then make the visualization like this. These some measure into this table. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 and this year also we have calculated. Okay, so yeah, I see if something is if sometimes one measure created into this table, then you can also change this into another table. Here home table, you can change it to another table as well as change of visitor. Same here, select this and key measure table, so it will automatically go into key measure table. Okay, file is sending from your side. Yeah, now I see.
So I also want to know that in my case, that calendar and hotel reservation projects, these two tables, why these two tables are coming?
Let me tell you. See, go to this transform data. See, when you put this tagging query, okay, so you can just right click on it and you can also uncheck this point. If you don't uncheck, it means this table and this table is the same duplicate table because you have put the reference from this tagging. Na? So this table and this table is same table. So you can uncheck this point it so that then you can continue. Then this file will not come into your Power BI view. Okay, because you need only these 4 files. And dates table you have already calculated with this. Okay, so first one is this is the your answer of first question, and second is why it is calendar table showing. So for calendar table, I think you have created a calendar table with your own function. That is why in the if you select this date table, go to this calendar. See, you have created this calendar auto function here. Okay, so this is the reason for another table. So if you don't need this table, you can just right click and you can hide in report view because we don't want calendar table. I'm just showing you in the class that calendar table also created with this function also because we have date table with the function. We have power query, so we have maintained this dates table from this power query, but you can also calculate if you click there. See, this table is hide, complete column is hide, and now your final photo reservation table is not there. Otherwise, all the relationship is good. If I need to check again, you can go to this manage custom to customer, date to dates, destination to destination. It is done now. Okay, so now one by one you can create your measure. First you have to create the measure table. So go to this modeling. Here is the option of creating a table. So first you need to create new table, and in this new table you can create multiple measure according to one by one. Okay, done or any other doubt? See,
After that,
your
further, what you have been next step?
after that, see right now, suppose if everything is done, now you have to create your table, and then in the table you have to make like in this hotel requirement what you need actually. Okay, like in my project, let me share this one. See, in my project, the first case is total visitor done. So we need total visitor. So for total visitor, you have to identify that in which table we have a visitor. Like we have a visitor means this is the dim visitor table. So you can just go to this dim visitor table first. So either you can count function or either you can calculate via distinct count. So there is a too many option. So if I click on there, total visitor, so we have used the distinct count function for the after that you can
This
only
part is missing, Harsh. This part is missing means the next uh video is starting just from here. How
just
you
here.
did this and yeah, directly starting from this page. It is already
Yeah,
done.
because actually these this is the part is missing. I think the relationship part 2 point is missing. I think in the training.
No, relationship part is not missing. After
Mhm.
that, the thing is missing
Okay,
on
after that. Okay. See, so what
that's
you
why
do?
I have
Okay.
done
So
relationship.
don't worry. See what you do. Now relationship is done. Let me move it to just a minute. Okay, don't worry. Now I am going to create. See, this is your table. Okay. So now relationship is done. Now you have to done some steps like create new table first. Create new table. Okay. And write down the table name as measure table. Like here, key measure table. Okay. Or you can just write key measure and just enter. So now your new table is ready into this project. And now you have to create one by one your identification. Like if I go to this and just copy this and just sorry paste it, paste here. So now this is are the condition we have to follow. So one by one we have to create some measure. Suppose right now we need total visitor, so I'm just clicking on this new measure table, these three dot, and create a new measure. See, we need total visitors, so we need total count, and the count whichever does not need a duplicate, because if one customer is already going support 2 times in the some other hotel, then only count 1 time, not only for 2. So we need total visitor data wise. So here you can count as total visitor, and total visitor you have count by a two option. Like here you can count by distinct count. So for this distinct count, you need to choose the column. Distinct count means only the unique value, and unique value will be there in the fact total reservation under column of customer ID. So you can just select fact total and there is a customer ID. If you select this column, it means this is a unique column. Okay, this is a unique column for your data. So if you go to this, select any card chart. So see the total visitor you have is 67K. If you go to this formatting tab, the data label, just display unit and move done. So this is your total visitor count you have. Okay, same way if you need total origin country or destination country, the same thing. In the origin table also we need a unique value, and the destination also we need a unique value. So either you can check from distinct table as well as factor hotel, or either you can check with this. If I check this total visitor, just copy and just pasting here, and you can write it here as number of origin country. Origin country. And you need to check or you need to select only those columns which you have the origin country data. So fact total, and under this you have origin country means this one. just enter. So distinct count of origin country means the number of unique value will be there. Select same way. If you need to collect destination, just select this new measure, and you need to check only destination country wise data. So I think all let me do this destination back total, and this is the destination country. Okay, so like this way you have to calculate all this into your chart, like this total number of destination card chart. So total destination is 20 country. If you select total origin you have 7. Okay, so one by one your data is ready as per your measure is created. Okay, and see if this part is missing, so let me show you. Actually I have already calculated here. I think my mistake is see like this. After this you can watch this video. Okay, this one. This is I think some else batch. Okay. This is from else batch. Okay. First is this. You can watch. And this one is a part 3 of 11. Okay. 3. And you can watch this one also. And 3, 4, 5, and 6. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, you can watch this. And the last video for this one is part 6. Actually, I will send you later. Okay. Okay. So now I will send you this later. One by one, I am going to check, and then I will send you that after this, you can which video you can watch. Okay. Done.
Shall I do other thing like if in other batch video is completed there, then I can follow that one.
This is already completed. I'm going to share you complete. First I need to watch, then from here which video you can watch. Okay, then I need to check, then I will send you. Okay, because I
Okay,
think
okay, no
the
issue.
batch is missing. Somewhere the video is uploading in the YouTube and somewhere up and down. Okay, but no worry, I will check and then I will send it to you from here. Till now is completed. Okay, from here which video you want to see, I will send you in the WhatsApp. Okay.
No issue.
Okay, and now we are going to start our new project. Let me first stop the stream.